Ever been somewhere new, heart pounding with excitement, until you realize your wallet's gone? Yeah, I've been there too, and believe me, nothing sucks the joy out of an adventure faster than getting pickpocketed. But what if you could outsmart the thieves, keep your real money safe, and walk away with your trip intact? Let me let you in on a little secret. Always carry a fake wallet when you travel. It's the travel hack that seasoned wanderers won't shut up about, and for good reason. No matter where you roam, from Parisian boulevards to night markets in Bangkok, pickpocketing is a risk. Thieves are masters at spotting tourists distracted by street performers or fumbling with city maps. That's where your decoy wallet comes in. It's your sneaky, silent bodyguard. Here's how you set it up. Grab an old wallet you don't care about. The more beaten up, the better. Stuff it with expired gift cards, an old hotel key, maybe a faded loyalty card, and toss in a bit of local cash. You want it to look and feel real enough for a thief to grab on the run. Pop it in an easy-to-reach pocket or side bag, right where a pickpocket expects to find it. Meanwhile, your real cash, cards, and passport? Stashed away, deep inside a hidden pouch, money belt, or tucked in an inside pocket. If you ever face a scarier situation, like someone demanding your wallet at knife point, you've got a card to play. Toss the fake one away from you. Odds are the thief grabs it and bolts, giving you a precious few seconds to run and get to safety. This little trick? It saved me hours of stress. No frantic trips to embassies, no lost cards, no ruined memories. I know folks who split cash in their shoes, jacket linings, even a secret pocket sewn inside their backpack. It's not being paranoid, it's just being smart. Thieves thrive on easy targets and quick grabs. A fake wallet messes with their game and keeps your real lifeline safe. And if you need to carry a chunk of cash, maybe for a border crossing where ATMs are dodgy, spread it out. Put a bit in your shoe, a bit in your bag, and always have that decoy ready to go. Travel's always got its risks. That's part of the story. But the more prepared you are, the freer you feel to explore and soak up every moment. So before your next adventure, tuck a fake wallet into your bag. It's light, easy, and could save you a whole lot of headaches. Safe travels, y'all, and remember, the best trips are the ones where you come home with your stories, not just your souvenirs.